Owing to post-election violence cases, owing to the maandamano cases for 2023 and anti-finance bill cases for 2024, I want to report that we have over 200 cases of police brutality that occurred in 2023, out of which we have over 20 victims represented before the High Court in Kisumu. We have managed as LSK to attend in real time to those who were arrested during the protests and to have them released. We had 2 cases presented in court. One collapsed before it went for hearing because no charges were presented in court. One is active, and as LSK, we are offering pro bono services. Yes, so I have to say that on average, they are over 25 victims represented pro bono by LSK Kisumu chapter. To say that as regards delay in prosecution of police brutality cases in court, LSK is doing what it can. We are also requesting that the judiciary rolls out and accelerates those cases so that victims of police brutality can get justice. More so the case of Baby Pendo, you're aware that it greatly highlights matters of police brutality. And as LSK, we are also doing our part to ensure that the victims are cooperating with the advocates, to ensure that when those matters come up in court, they are not adjourned. So we are doing all we can to ensure that those matters proceed in court. But as you're aware, it is only the judiciary that controls court time and court calendar. And we are very, very strongly urging them to ensure that we accelerate the process of hearing of those cases and their quick determination. Thank you.